Guys, keep following the full video. This is just the beginning.
Guys, make sure you watch the full video. Don't skip it. And please subscribe, leave a nice comment, hit the like button, and definitely press the bell icon.
If you think luxury RVs are impressive, wait until you see this $25 million monster. This is America's tallest motorhome ever created, an 8-story Kenworth Mega RV that looks like a moving skyscraper from the future. From rooftop pools to biometric security and floating technology, this rolling mansion completely changes luxury travel forever. The moment this Mega RV appears on the highway, everything around it instantly looks tiny. The gigantic pearl white exterior shines under sunlight while matte black panoramic glass and rose gold accents give it the appearance of a billionaire yacht on wheels. Massive LED light strips glow across the body at night while hidden compartments slide open automatically. One side reveals a luxury outdoor barbecue station, while another opens into a futuristic camping deck with glowing floor lights and weatherproof seating. And this is where things become unbelievable. The newly launched smart terrain lock system keeps the entire 8-story structure perfectly balanced anywhere. Rocky mountains, forests, lakesides, or rough terrain, the hydraulic stabilization technology adjusts automatically in real time. Now picture this scene. The Mega RV is parked beside a crystal blue lake surrounded by pine trees and fresh mountain air. The outdoor deck expands directly over the water while the barbecue station opens automatically from the side. Ambient lights glow beneath the deck, creating the perfect luxury camping atmosphere. But before entering, the advanced security system activates. The main door stays completely locked while hidden scanners analyze facial recognition, fingerprints, and eye scans. Until the real owner is verified, the entrance refuses to open. The moment authentication is complete, glowing LED floor lights activate as the futuristic doors slowly unlock. Now let's step inside the first floor. The entrance lobby feels like a 7-star hotel with floating illuminated staircases, marble-style flooring, holographic displays, and voice-controlled lighting. The AI smart system controls lighting, temperature, entertainment, security, and privacy settings through voice commands. The second floor is the luxury lounge area featuring floor-to-ceiling panoramic glass, a giant curved cinema screen, reclining seats, hidden surround sound speakers, and a glowing modern fireplace surrounded by matte black and rose gold interior details. The third floor contains the gourmet smart kitchen and dining area. Automated cabinets, touch-activated appliances, intelligent cooking systems, and an illuminated dining table create a futuristic luxury experience. The fourth floor focuses on wellness and relaxation with a fully equipped smart gym, mirrored workout walls, advanced fitness systems, and a luxury massage spa room with rainfall showers, steam therapy, aromatherapy, and heated massage beds. The fifth floor introduces a futuristic medical and wellness suite equipped with advanced health monitoring systems, emergency medication storage, air purification technology, and recovery seating for safe long-distance travel. Now we reach the sixth floor master suite. A giant king-sized smart bed faces a transparent OLED entertainment wall while automated curtains reveal breathtaking mountain and ocean views. Hidden wardrobes, a private office area, and a futuristic luxury bathroom make this level feel like a celebrity penthouse. The seventh floor transforms into a futuristic entertainment lounge with gaming zones, digital projection walls, nightclub-style lighting, premium sound systems, and a rooftop cinema experience beneath retractable glass ceilings. And finally, the eighth floor rooftop paradise. At the very top sits an infinity-style swimming pool surrounded by panoramic glass barriers and luxury relaxation seating. Whether parked near mountains, forests, deserts, or oceans, this rooftop experience feels unbelievable for a moving vehicle. But the craziest feature is still left. This Mega RV can actually float on water. As the vehicle slowly enters the ocean, hidden flotation systems activate beneath the structure while stabilization technology keeps the entire RV balanced above the waves. Watching an 8-story luxury mansion floating peacefully across the sea feels absolutely unreal. And before ending the tour, take one final look at the driving cockpit. The front command center looks like a private jet with ultra-wide digital displays, autonomous driving technology, night vision cameras, satellite navigation, adaptive smart windows, and aircraft-inspired controls surrounding the driver. This Kenworth Mega RV is not simply transportation. It is a futuristic luxury skyscraper designed to travel anywhere on Earth.
Hey guys, I hope you love this ultra-futuristic luxury RV. Tell me in the comments which feature impressed you the most. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insane luxury creations like this. See you in the next one.